Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about the histological section of the liver. So regarding the content part, we have to know something about the liver. Then we have to go through the histological section of the liver. Then we will know about the identifying characters of the histological structure of the liver, and then there are the name of few books in the reference section which will help you to gather much more knowledge about the liver. Let's know something about liver. Let's concentrate in the revolving photo. You can see that the liver is positioned in the abdomen. Okay, in the right upper abdomen, means the upper quadrant of the abdomen, just below the diaphragm. Okay, so this is the location of the liver in our body. So what is the importance of the liver? It helps in the digestion. Definitely, it secretes the bile, which helps to digest the fat. It also helps in the regulation of the glycogen storage. As a liver glycogen, glucose are stored in the liver. It decomposed the red blood cells after 120 days when their lifespan is over. And the production of the hormones, it also the house of production of different types of hormones which helps in the different body activities. Now, some facts about the liver. It's a reddish brown in color, as you can see in this revolving picture. That's a reddish brown in color. Yes, reddish brown in color. It is the heaviest internal organ that you have to by heart. It's the heaviest internal organ and the largest gland in our body. What is the weight? Approximately 1.5 kg. Now, regarding the histological structure, first of all comes the central vein. Now, this is the central vein, and this total area is called the hepatic lobule. So, each hepatic lobule contains a central vein at the center position. Here is a central vein, you can see. Here also a central vein. Here is also a central vein. And these small cells are called the hepatic cells. See, plates of the hepatic cells. And this total flock of the hepatic cell is known as the hepatic lobule. You can see. And apart from the hepatic lobule, you can see that the sinusoids are present. These are the arteries, veins, etc. So once you have identified the central vein under the high power objective of the microscope and radiating hepatic cells constituting the hepatic lobule, be sure that you are identifying the histological structure of the heaviest organ of our body, that is liver. Regarding the identifying characters, presence of the central vein is the main identifying character, as we have discussed in the previous slide. Now, presence of hepatic cells, basically which are granular, granules are present there, polyhedral cells radiating from the central vein. Hence, it is the transverse section of the mammalian liver comes under the digestive system. These are the few books for your ready reference for your enhancement of the knowledge on the liver. So thank you very much friends for your patient listening. In the next part, this will continue in the next part, that is the part 9, and in the next part we are going to discuss about different sections of histological sections of the small intestine. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like it, then please share it among your friends and put the bell icon to get the early notification. And if you have any problem or any doubts regarding this video, please feel free to comment in the inbox section so that I can clear your doubts. So long, wait for my next video. Bye bye.